Hi, Bobby. Oh, Chris just came. Where are you going?
I'm just going to walk. I've been out here for 1 second, I'm already late.
Hey, boy.
Yeah.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Are you watching? Yeah, I got these dingly things on my bracelet. I don't know why he's out there. He's just walking, isn't that right, Bandit? You got it good, Bandit. Where you going, Bandit? Bandit's like, yeah, I know this play. So cool. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Are you sniffing me? Yes, you are. Yeah. Like a bully. He shoots camera. Bandit's first camera video ever. He's like, yay! I'm being put on YouTube. I'm gonna be famous. Ain't that right? Yeah. Woo! Chris is coming back up. Hey, puppy.
I wish we were in Dyersburg, but it was like this forest. And I wish we lived in it, but it was Dyersburg. Come on back here. Are you coming with me on the what? Our journey? Oh.
You're not giving him a chance to come. You wanna go, boy? Open the door open. You wanna go? You wanna go? He don't wanna go. He said, no, I don't wanna go. I just wanna watch you die. No. Ah. You're gonna follow him down the porch. Come on, let's go. Let's go follow him down the porch. You're gonna follow him down the porch. Follow him down the porch. Yeah. Following him down the porch. He's coming back up the porch. Let's go. Come on. Oh, wait, he's stopping. Ah. What was that? Bandit's like, whoa. You just scared me to death while you were sitting there first. Whoa. And then I wasn't sitting there. Chris, you're bothering him. Little bandit. A chihuahua in a big world.